What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, but we have something new. Don't worry, guys, we still have the Civic Si, but we're introducing a new car to the squad. My new 2026 GR Corolla. It comes in this beautiful red color. This, I believe, is the base model. Comes with the hood vents that I optioned. It doesn't come with the wing on the back, but I will be getting an aftermarket wing for it. It's probably going to be the Sabin Carbon aftermarket wing. It's a gigantic wing. I'll probably link it in the description. But let me tell you, I've had this so far for about 3 weeks to a month, and I couldn't be any happier. It's literally a homologated rally car. This whole car just screams, take me to the track, take me to a rally course, and drive it. It comes with these beautiful 4 pistons in the front, and I believe 2 pistons in the rear. Slotted rotors from the factory. Michelin Pilot Sport 5s. Beautiful tires. They perform very well. I know it's kind of dirty right now, but I will be detailing it soon. That's one thing, actually. I get very bad brake dust. So far I put 570 miles on it, and it's been a blast. The recommended break-in is 621 miles from Toyota, and then after that I can rip on it. And that's why I'm not doing a POV driving style video yet. That is when I do get above 621, I will put it out as soon as that happens. And I got a brand new Tomei single pipe, single exit titanium exhaust waiting in the garage. And it's going to be a screamer. This revs up all the way to 7,200 RPM, and it's going to sound beautiful. This 3-cylinder is a powerhouse. They literally call it the half 2JZ for a reason. Yeah, like I said, I just want to keep this video simple and sweet, because, like I said, I can't really do a POV video. I mean, I can, but I won't be able to drive it the way I intend it and the way the audience likes. So, yeah, just a quick update on what's going on, and many more videos, many more modifications to come with this car. I am glad you are watching, and what else can I say about this car? I think I'm gonna leave the fitment the way it is, the stock fitment, stock wheels. I might change the color of the wheels to white maybe, just so the rotors, the pads, everything can pop out just a bit more. The exhausts, obviously, and possibly a aftermarket front mount intercooler, but everything from factory has been great. It's literally made for the track from factory. You can take it to the track without having to worry about temps, oil pressure, beating on it constantly. It's made like that from the factory. So yeah, but it's been an honor to have Toyota really put so much thought and engineering into this car, and I give them props for that. They're like the only manufacturer as of now that's doing performance cars like this that enthusiasts actually respect and like, and don't have any problems. Believe me or not, if this car came out in the mid 2000s, everyone would go absolutely insane. It's literally a tuner car, like a 90s, mid 2000s tuner car. And if it came out during that time, this would be everyone's dream car. I guarantee it. But like I said, as of today, everyone's, chasing such big numbers. not like, don't get me wrong, they're making 800 horsepower on this block alone. So, you know, the tuning possibility for this is endless. Um, but I'm saying stock for stock, this is it's an amazing car, especially for the money. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little update video. Again, like I said, many more videos to come with this. Uh, it's yeah, it's the perfect car, I believe. Other than my SI, obviously. But you have two gigantic air ducts in the front to feed the brakes and the intercooler. Um, like I said, they put so much engineering and thought in this. Um, if you have the money, go for this. I guarantee it. Don't hesitate. Um, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this short video. I'm gonna cut it out short because it's windy and I don't know if you guys would hear me properly. Hopefully you guys can. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little update video. And as always, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. And I'll see you guys on the other video. Peace.